Hello, welcome back. Finally, this day is here. We've been waiting for it. We got the radiator done for the RS6. As you know from the previous video, we have the radiator damaged by this bar right here. I think we're gonna take it out. We finally got the radiator done. As the dealership was charging way too much money, I'm gonna list a picture right here of the new radiator, how much it cost. When I fixed the radiator, actually I took it to a radiator shop and they fixed it for about $220. I'm gonna show you more details about it when we're gonna install it. And today we're gonna show you the full installation. I'm gonna take this bar out, and I got some new pipes for the transmission oil cooling. We're gonna be installing those. So let's go to work. here we have the radiator. That's where they fixed it. So the problem was from this bar right here. This bar, it was staying right there and touching the radiator. So the radiator is pretty good. They just welded right here, and this bolt was broken. They fixed this one too. And what do we got right here? New pipes for the transmission, oil cooler, and this one we're gonna use it the same because it's still in a good condition. But the radiator is pretty good. Now we're gonna go ahead and install it. Good work. There you go, have the radiator in place. Just gotta connect some hoses. The upper hose for the transmission, oil cooler, and right here the radiator hoses, the top one. We just gotta connect it. I don't know if you can really see that. The bottom one. Put the oil cooler, bumper, and ready to go. Pretty much everything done. Radiator is in place. We got the hoses hooked up. We got the condenser hooked up. Everything. The hose is right here. On this side, everything is hooked up. The oil cooler, and right here everything is hooked up. So we have the radiator in place. Now we gotta put the coolant on and start the car. Подержите. See, the car is already done. Just gotta put some covers on top, the cover right there, and gotta go for a drive it for a couple of days, see if there is no oil leaks or coolant leaks from the oil lines that we put right there on the radiator. As you see, it's all good. So the total, what the dealer was asking for the radiator was $1,400, which I end up fixing the radiator for $220 and install it myself, which I didn't have to pay someone else to do it. Now we save a ton lot of money. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and share this video with someone else to see it, and stay tuned for next videos.